Dogecoin has been all the rage since its initiation. The one inquiry that has crossed all personalities is, will Doge reach $1? With the unpredictability and variances in the crypto market, there are chances that Doge will come to the most anticipated $1 mark. Want to know how high the Doge token can arrive at 10 years? Peruse this article to be aware. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2023. As per our Dogecoin Expectation 2023, the coin might have least and most extreme costs of around $0.07418 separately. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025. When it is 2025, our Dogecoin gauge proposes that the coin could have arrived at a most extreme worth of 39 cents, with a base cost of 25 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030. According to our Doge cost forecast, it is normal that the token might exchange at a limit of 82 cents, with a base cost of 57 cents in 2030. History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the digital money market, is expansion as opposed to deflationary digital money. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are figured out to such an extent that they have a hard stock cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a cordial, more receptive type of digital money that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known web image. Dogecoin's cost has enormous potential. With the sort of distinction rising, Dogecoin's presence is tremendous contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no exceptional preparation. Amicable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Packing your Dogecoin is currently simple. Thus, use of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the notoriety and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This computerized money's dynamic and resolute worth winds around an atmosphere of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most significant level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Dogecoin's specialized examination notwithstanding the historical backdrop of tempests and twisters in the digital money market, there is a fair future. Nonetheless, nothing can be sure in the cryptographic money space, and that is the point at which our digital currency cost figure comes into the image. Dogecoin's all-out market cap is exchanging around $11,520,330,919 and is presently the 8th greatest computerized cash on the planet. Presently, the cost of Dogecoin is around $0.08282, with an exchanging volume of $441,037,126. The ongoing inventory is at $139,097,276,384 Doge, while the complete circling supply is $139,097,276,384. The general digital money market capitalization has denoted a massive change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ath, it denoted an enormous fall over the long haul. Notwithstanding, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have denoted a good recuperation as of late. The Doge's cost pour the prompt obstruction with next to no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the critical obstruction of $0.099 and, surprisingly, succeeded. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin Doge value began to exchange underneath the obstruction. Specialized pointers recommend that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin Doge cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on various events. Elon Musk's persistent help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for merchandise and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise speculation. Dogecoin could be one of only a handful of exceptional digital forms of money fit for being utilized as a useful cash instead of essentially as a speculative resource. As indicated by the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin Doge may not be a wise speculation, and they anticipate the Dogecoin Doge cost to be around $0.00693 by long-term end. Conversely, the The Specialized Examination and Dogecoin Value Forecast of Computerized Coin Cost proposed that the coin will go up to 18 cents in 2023. Taking a gander at the ongoing positively trending business sector of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another unsurpassed high in the forthcoming years. Indeed, even specialists have changily likewise foresee that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin, Doge, will reach $1.47 by 2030. Dogecoin Expectation 2023. According to the market feeling and future cost activity, the most extreme expected Doge cost may be around 18 cents. While the typical cost may be 13 cents and the base cost may be $0.074 in light of our cost forecast. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin Expectations 2024. According to the Doge Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, the typical cost may be 22 cents in 2020. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost forecast for 2025, the coin could have a greatest and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents. In correlation, the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Doge Value Expectation 2026. As per the Dogecoin, Doge, cost expectation, it might hit a most extreme cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A gigantic convention is normal in Dogecoin's cost over time. Doge Expectation 2027. As per our Doge cost forecast, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which additionally is the greatest worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. Going against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin Conjecture 2028. Even in the profoundly unstable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin, Doge cost forecasts, the coin could arrive at the most extreme worth of 57 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost, while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2029. While the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. In view of our Dogecoin, Doge, cost expectation 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the most extreme and least costs of 82 cents and 57 cents. The typical cost might be around 69 cents, with a fair rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen fundamentally constantly 2030. My forecast is that number Dogecoin will ultimately become coordinated with Twitter sooner rather than later here and there. This will